What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing some black calipers, some stainless steel lines, and also putting on a tail light real quick. So if you guys have been following the series, the bike is slowly coming together, but it still needs some more stuff. So today we're going to be tackling some black calipers because the red is just kind of ugly. And then we also are going to be using some stainless steel lines now on the front and the rear that will be blue. They kind of match the blue right here. Hopefully they look pretty good. So we got some core stainless steel lines going on front and rear, the black calipers. We also need to get rid of that stock taillight. There's no turn signals in this taillight, so I purchased this one. This is from a company called Gromworks. Gromworks, basically they buy used Groms and resell them, and this is just off a used Grom. So basically you get these parts for a whole lot cheaper than you would if you bought them brand new. So great company. I actually called them and they were very, very helpful and gave me the part I wanted for a really reasonable price. So awesome guys down there. So if you guys want to get any used parts, or you guys want to get full Groms that are used, definitely check out Gromworks. And the rear lines are done, along with the front stainless steel lines. The front stainless steel lines you definitely see more. Looks very good. I did notice that the front is a little long. You can kind of see how it hits the gauge, the speedometer. It's whatever. It's not that bad, but I like it. Definitely looks good. It adds a little bit of blue, which is what I wanted, but it's not too overpowering, so I'm happy with it. The black calipers looks so much better with this color combo. Yeah, it's finally coming together. So black calipers look really good. I still need to do all my handbrake stuff. That looks good. So the last thing I'm going to do before the end of this video is change out that tail light. Guys, and there you go. It is all done, all put together, and I've made a video about this before, but they're really bright. The brakes really bright. It flashes. You got a bunch of modes and stuff. Turn signals are also really bright, so recommend this tail light probably over any other tail light. All right guys, that is going to be it for today. I still need to bleed all the lines and do a bunch of other stuff, but there's just so much to do on this bike, and I've got all winter, so I'm not going to rush it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down in the comment section below. And I think that's it for this episode. I'll see you guys next time.